Hi, do you want to download anything from GitHub without enabling JavaScript? This is the right video for you. For instance, here I want to download LibreTube, open source front end for YouTube. So I will go to LibreTube followed by the releases section. If you want to download anything from GitHub, just go to that particular page and type /releases. Just add releases in the URL bar. After I go to the releases section, I will find a whole bunch of utilities, for instance a whole bunch of APKs, but they are hidden behind the assets section and it does not open without enabling JavaScript. So you will have to add a little piece of code from the inspector tool, which is slash expanded underscore assets slash the version name. So for instance version name is around 0.11.0, so I will add v 0.11.0. so I will hit enter, then I will get a whole lot of stuff. This stuff is basically source code followed by everything uploaded on the official GitHub repository. So here is how you can actually get everything the uploader had to post. Thank you for watching and let me know how do you actually feel about this video. I will see you in my next one.